Hi, Black Lives Matter, and it shouldn't be controversial to say that. There's links in the description below for petitions and places where you can donate. Anyways, sometimes I feel like it's my job, my duty to give you a video that feels like the equivalent of a virtual hug. So that's what I wanted to make today. It is dog birthday month in our household. Marble actually celebrated his birthday already. He is now 12. Mama!
Oh shit. It's Thursday.
Kermit is turning 10 and Peach is turning 6. I think maybe next week we might do a little celebration or something so we can have all of their birthdays together. There's a lot of dogs here. But this week, I kind of just wanted to make a nice little virtual hug for you. So our Greyhound bunny eats things very politely, and I thought, you know what I'd like to watch is an entire video of Bunny eating things politely. So maybe I'll throw in some footage of Kermit being the opposite of that, and Peach. Marbles and Bunny are pretty much the only ones that eat politely, so here's Bunny eating things politely.